How to submit a web form to IRCC. So first things first, for you to be able to get the specific form through web, is you won't be able to have it into a PDF file directly from Canada.ca's official website. You really need to get in touch or contact customer support on IRCC for you to be provided with the correct web form, depending on your inquiry, if it is for passport, for citizenship, or for visitor visa, and so on and so forth. But once you already have it, you just have to fill it out and make sure all of those forms that needs to have your identification, such as your name, your date of birth, and if you have a client ID, you can also go ahead and input that down. Now, to get a web form, just go into the CA's official site and click this box here that says chat now, and then just simply type in your inquiry. Once you've already submitted your web form, this is where also you can check your application status on Canada.ca. Now, what did you apply for? Just simply choose whether for passport, visitor's visa, citizenship, and then hit on continue. And that's it. That is how you submit a web form to IRCC.